Here's Meljanka again with Jenna 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day 13 of your 21-day challenge. Congratulations for not giving up on yourself. Congratulations for feeling the need of taking care of your health. And remember, it's one step at a time. Consistency is key. It's much better to do something every day than doing probably 2 hours in a gym twice a week or maybe 3 times a week. I promise you, consistency is key. And so today we have, what is it today? I forgot. You probably know. Biceps. Yes. So we're going to be doing the guns one more time. And for that, we need weights. So go ahead and find your dumbbells, your plates, or maybe a couple of cans from the pantry. Let's do this. It's a fun song in the middle of the class, so be ready for it. I'm going to push play and go straight to it. Now, I love this song. Let me tell you why. Because it's telling what you need to tell yourself. We need to tell the whole world, you can't stop me. You can't stop me. Let's go. Good job. Since we're doing biceps, we had to warm up the whole body, of course, but putting some emphasis on the biceps. Let's go. Now, yesterday when I was practicing, my youngest daughter was like, Mom, are you fighting? Because I was doing this. It looks more cool. What do you think? Awesome. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. You can't stop me. This is you fighting for your health. Fighting for your beautiful health. Let's go. Cross. Feel it. Feel it as you pull and push. Yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down and up. Good job. Feel it. If you want more, extend forward. Very different, right? Good job. Take it down one more time. One more time. Down, up, down, up. Simple cardio. Love it. Going forward. Nice job. And 4, and 3. Let's go back to the punch. Yes. Feel that momentum, that tension. Coming up, coming up. Come on, you can't. World, you cannot stop me. I'm gonna conquer this. One class at a time. A little bit every day. Let's go. Ha, ha. Now, uppercut. Now, I am not a boxing instructor, but I think I got this down. Maybe not. Awesome. Punch it up. Punch, punch. If you want, you can hold it in the center and go one at a time. You can't stop me. Good job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. You can't stop me. Bring it up. You can't stop me. Not stopping me. No stopping. Really high. Nice job. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Good job. One more time. Nice. Beautiful job. Ooh, great. Okay, dear friends, let's go straight to the weights. So you have 30 seconds to get those weights. Dumbbells, plates, cans. I hope you like this song as much as the whole world, basically. Ow! Okay, my friends. Here we go. Feet under hips. It's okay to dance. Nobody's watching anyway. Just you and I. Let's go. Bring it in. Up, up, down, and down. Yes, you know the rules and so do I. Good job. We're going slow first, yeah? One quick up, down slow. Up, hold, down, and down. One more only. Awesome. Alternate your singles. Let's go. All right. Yes. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna go back. 2 and 2. Let's go. Up. Now twist at the top. This is what we call supination of the forearm. Yeah? So for those of you that don't know yet, you haven't gone to my LinkedIn, I have been in fitness for years. All right? 3 and 1. Oh, quick. Up quick. Oh, down slow. That's the cardio. Up quick, down slow. Oh, I got distracted. Sorry. Single, alternate. Let's go. Tempo. Tempo. Try not to move that elbow. Keep it really going into the floor. Isolating. Yes? Good job. At this point, maybe you feel it. Awesome. Pulses in the middle. Pulse. 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 And down. Good stuff. Good stuff. With great music. Nice job. All right, everybody, we're gonna bring the bigger weights up. If you don't want to, just do super slows with us. All right? Let's go again, slow. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. 4, 3, 2, and 1, 2, and 2. You know it. For so long. So listen, this is a curl. This is a hammer. Look at me. We keep the wrists facing each other. What is the difference? Just little muscle work, okay? 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1, and down. One more time. Ready for alternating the singles? Heavy weights. Now we tend to use momentum doing this. Try not to do it. Keep your body really braced and go for it, yeah? Nice job. Pulses in the middle. Yep. Do it again. Remember, you pull your belly, tailbone is under. I know you look cute like this, but we don't want that. We want to protect the back. Again. Okay, listen to me. These are the hardest ones. Super slow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna do it one more time. I still hear music. Oh, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. We ran out of music. Oh no. Okay, put those weights down. Lovely. Awesome, John. Shake it. I always say in my classes that when your hands are red, that means work. And I'm gonna explain quickly as I put this away. So occluded blood means blood that is trapped in your muscle. That is what creates the change. Okay? So kneel with me. How? Well, because when your blood gets trapped in that muscle, then all the oxygen goes away as you work out. And as that happens, your muscle fiber breaks. And when it breaks, what happens then? It repairs. And when it repairs, that's when your muscle gets stronger and dense, more dense, right? So, if you do light weights, you're not really bulking up. People is a little bit afraid of that, okay? Kind of bulking up when they do weights. If you do light weights, with lots of repetitions, you're not gonna bulk up. All you are going to do is make your muscle more dense, leaner, and toned. Okay? Awesome. That's it. You know this stretch. So you're gonna go into child pose. Reach one arm forward, and then the other one is just for support. We're gonna pull back, pull back, pull back. Yes, until you feel that stretch. You can do this forward with the hand forward. or you can do it with the hand on the side. Yes? Great. Remember to breathe. Another one. Let's hear the beautiful song. Breathe in, breathe out, open, and push chest down. Great job, guys. Yes. Awesome. So here we go. One more time. Open big. Thumbs up. Roll those hands up. And then pull gently on one side. You can do this even standing if you work your whole body. Okay? In this case, we only did the bicep. Nice job. All right, my friends. This is an extra. For me, I'm from Venezuela, so you might have heard a lot of things. This is eagle pose. You change your elbow. So this song says, broken pieces, I can't go home. I know. So that's how my country is right now, but we have hope. We have hope. And I appreciate your prayers. I appreciate you thinking about us. Thank you again for supporting this channel. Thank you again for supporting me. Thank you again for taking care of your health. This is how we do it, one day at a time, one class at a time, stronger, fitter, and healthier. Love you. See you tomorrow. Bye.